Breaking update coming in, and it's a Times Network impact. The Karnataka Chief Minister has ordered an inquiry into allegations of corruption in awarding tenders. The Chief Minister has in fact said that all details will surface once the tenders are scrutinized, inspected, and any misappropriation will be revealed that will be taken into account. But the letter of the contractors, as per the CM, doesn't have specific documents and or details. Even then, there is, in fact, they have ordered for an inquiry and asked the department heads to scrutinize all tenders, especially those approved during the time of the Bommai government. So this is what the message which has come in, the statement of the CM which has come in on the corruption scandal at the moment. Karnataka Chief Minister has in fact said that the allegations will be probed.
ಟೆಂಡರ್ಗಳ ಸ್ಕ್ರೂಟಿನಿ ಆದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಟೆಂಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಇಂಕ್ವೈರಿ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅವರು ಲೆಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೂ ಆಧಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಥ ಟೆಂಡರ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಜನರಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಇಂಕ್ವೈರಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೆಂಡರ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ರೂಟಿನಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಟೆಂಡರ್ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಕ್ರೂಟಿನಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂತಹ ಸ್ಕ್ರೂಟಿನಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪರೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನು ಬೇಕು?
I'm joined by my colleague Deepak Bopanna on this. Deepak, you brought us this story, and now there's of course the Karnataka Chief Minister also who has assured a probe into this. Take us through the magnitude of these allegations. Actually, these are very serious allegations against certain Karnataka ministers which are being leveled by the contractors.
Yes, the contractors, of course, haven't mentioned a particular timeline, but they've made some very serious allegations that, for the process of approvals, there are kickbacks that are demanded up to the tune of over 30%. And then you can just imagine these tenders, of course, are running to crores, and a 30 or 40% kickback into this would result in huge amounts of money. And they had written specifically about issues pertaining to pending bills as well. They had written about money that was being sought by the government for issuing letter of credits, and various other issues were summed up in this particular letter that was written to the Prime Minister. The Congress, of course, came down quite heavily. They've in fact even met the governor and sought that the government be dismissed and a judicial probe be ordered into this. Now the Chief Minister, of course, has ordered an inquiry and said that every department head will scrutinize all sort of tenders. He has also said that, especially during his government, whatever tenders were approved, everything will be scrutinized. And after that, if there is any sort of lacuna or any sort of malpractice that has been found, action will be taken, is what he's assuring. We'll have to see whether it actually materializes. We should also understand here that very recently, in another cabinet meet that was held, the Karnataka government has also decided that any tender valued above 50 crores will be reassessed by a judge as well. So this is something that also will be brought into practice immediately, is what the Chief Minister has assured.
Right. Deepak Bopanna there joining us with this breaking update coming in on a big corruption scandal that has hit Karnataka. Thank you so much for joining us with that.